really strong. I did it.
Wait. I got something.
It sounds right behind you. There you go.
So I did a mattress review before. And now I got something else cool I'm gonna review. Nito, tell them what it is.
It's a boat. You got right here in a box is a BU or B. It's a B5. No, it's a U5 B80. You know, it's in a nice box. Right?
No. Oh, okay.
We're gonna open it up. There you go. I'll leave a little gap.
What?
Is this your paddleboard?
Shh, shh. It's a flat boat. Wait, we gotta tell what we got. It's a Celesapa 06.
Back it up a little, because you're getting this in it.
My bad.
Here we go, it's happening.
Because
It's
premium.
well, we're recording a YouTube video here.
It gave you flippers. Safety.
It's not flippers.
I know.
Here's my paddle,
For paddling.
my pump. What's that for?
Pumping.
And the board. What's that for?
It's a boat.
Of the boat.
It's a boat.
The boat. What's that for?
So let's
If I had to review this zipper on a scale 1 to 11, I would probably give it about a 9.5.
9.5. I don't know what that
It's
math
pretty
is.
smooth.
Oh wow, look at that boat. It's compact. You
And
know?
my boat is just rolled all up in here.
How much is that? And like
Look at my
dollars.
little finners.
Wow, that's for accuracy on the water, Des.
Yeah,
That's so you can do hard edges and like really lean. Yeah. I know you've been watching YouTube videos. You know how to do it. Go ahead and hit that clip.
Okay, scale 1 to 10 or 3. This is too hard
Boom.
to open.
All right, premium. Dang, Des.
Yeah. A lot of people would say I'm kind of a big deal. So slight, you know what it
That's
is?
a
Like, it's
nice
not even that
boat.
big of a
Looks
deal.
like a yacht to me.
This is the greatest boat I've
Look,
ever
Des, you can
seen.
strap a backpack back here.
This is from, I got a wet bag.
Oh, really?
All right. Yes.
Here, Des, I'll help you out with this part.
Thank you so much. That's
Ribs.
sucking out. There we go.
That's why I work out.
I don't think it's blowing. Oh, it is blowing. I'm gonna bring you every time with me to the lake, just so you can pump it up.
Yeah, they say you should be able to do it in 300 pumps.
Stupid.
No.
This is a sup. Okay. Stand up, paddleboard.
Yeah.
That's inflatable.
Here, Des, if you come stand on it. Really?
It's happening. My board's a little thin though.
You think it's thin?
Huh?
Des just likes it dumb.
D.
Do like a cool trick over it or something.
Parkour!
Guy, did you know
Well, I didn't know that.
that 1 out of 10 sea turtles are male?
How many?
1?
Can you pump this?
Only one?
Guy, did you know that the sex of the
Yeah,
sea
did
turtle
you know?
is determined by the temperature of the planet?
Are these all real facts?
Yep. If it's hotter
It's
outside,
one in 10
if it's hotter outside, the eggs become female. If it's cooler outside,
Where'd you get this?
My forehead's
the
burning.
dudes.
You know, this is gonna be good enough.
Wow.
What in tarnation?
Freddie, how are you just sitting there like nothing just happened? You're about to blow up.
Isn't it supposed to?
You just lost half your pumps right there.
I know. I'm so mad. Just by myself running with my paddleboard.
You don't want to put the big paddle on? Or the big fin? Oh, wow. Look at her go.
I just went for it.
Look at her go.
Thank you, Freddie. Thank you.
You're doing great, Des. Don't worry, there's no sharks, Des. I think you could have used more air.
Yeah, well, it was all in there till it all went away.
Look more confident.
You're shaking.
Get the arm and leg workout.
You're gonna run into the. You're gonna run into something. There you go, Des. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, speed too.
She's athletic. All right. Anybody else want to give it a whirl? I hope you fall. For content
My toe went in.
purposes, you can't U-turn. Wow.
Is he a runner? Is he a track star? I don't know.
She's a runner. She's a track star.
All right, this is day 1 of training. When you first get on your paddleboard, you're gonna want to make sure you have a shoulder width, feet apart kind of stance. Okay. Now, please recognize it is not suggested in a novice level to start doing yoga on a floating boat.
Flat boat.
On a flat boat.
Flat floating boat.
I feel like I'm in my element. Oh, I'm going too fast.
Bob, do you have your phone on you?
It's over there. Oh, yeah. That wasn't very nice.
Let's do it! Get up! Get up! Get up! Flip it right there! Flip it.
No big deal, okay? No big Training hasn't ended. You wanna have 2 hands on the pole, it doesn't work when you got 1. Ow. Both hands.
Nico, smile. What up, though?
Oh, your hair tickles. Dang, Des.
Yeah, that's good.
That's some grip.
That's nice. Maybe I have to have my eyes closed. Are you taking it? That open my eyes now?
Awkward. No. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, wait, I didn't open my eyes. Try again.
1, 2, 3.